Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to MIT. Today we are going to learn the simple addition and subtraction of algebra. Let's start with the page number 109 and question number 34. Let's solve question number 34 or we can solve 35. Let's start with 35. Question number 35 says 35. The question says subtract negative 2y square plus 3x square minus z from 4x square plus 3y square plus z. So whenever subtraction is mentioned and the expressions are given with from, so the last quantity should be written first of all. The last quantity is 4x squared, 4x squared plus 3y square plus 3y square plus 3y squared plus z from which we should do subtraction. So subtraction symbol should be given, and the first expression is negative 2y square, negative 2y square, negative 2y square, negative 2y square plus 3x square minus z plus 3x square minus z. So let's start doing the subtraction. First of all, we will have to remove the brackets. So while inserting and removing the bracket, we must not forget about the symbol outside the bracket and symbol in front of the quantity. Let's talk about 4. In front of 4, there is an invisible plus symbol, and outside the bracket also there is an invisible plus symbol. So as the symbols are same, it will be plus symbol, and at the beginning we can leave the symbol invisible. So 4x squared, 4x squared, then it's about 3. In front of 3 there is plus symbol, and outside the bracket also there is plus symbol. So if we simplify these symbols, it will be plus 3y square. Let's talk about z. In front of z there is positive symbol, outside the bracket also there is positive symbol. So symbols are same, that's why it will be positive. Then let's talk about negative 2y square. In front of 2 there is negative symbol, but outside the bracket there is negative symbol. As the symbols are same, there will be plus symbol. 2y square. We should not forget that in the first step we don't do any addition or subtraction. We just remove the bracket. Let's talk about 3x square. In front of 3 there is plus, whereas outside the bracket there is minus. The symbols are different, that's why there will be negative symbol. 3x square, the quantities will remain same because we are doing neither addition nor subtraction. It's just removal of the bracket. Let's talk about z. In front of z there is negative symbol, whereas outside the bracket also negative symbol. Symbols are same, that's why it will be plus symbol z. Now in the next step we will start doing addition and subtraction. Let's select 4x square will be added to another x square. Between 4x square and 3x squared, 4 is greater, so always we should put the symbol of the greater term, and 4 is having positive symbol, I mean plus sign. At the beginning plus sign remains invisible, so we don't need to show the symbol. And in front of 4 there is plus, in front of 3 there is minus. The symbols are different. Whenever the symbols are different, we should do subtraction. If we do subtraction, it will be 4x. From 4 if we subtract 3, there will be only 1 x squared. So we have completed x squared. Now let's talk about y square. In front of y square there is another y square is over here. So in front of 3 there is plus sign, in front of 2 also there is plus sign. As the symbols are same, we will have to put plus symbol. And first as the symbols are same, we will have to do addition, but the greater term 3 is having plus sign, that's why we have put plus symbol. Then as 3 and 2 both of them are having same symbols, it will be addition. If we do 3y squared to 2y squared, it will be 5y squared. Let's talk about the remaining term z. So first z is over here and second z is over here, and both of them are having same symbols. For same symbols we should do addition. And if the question is about inserting the symbol, both of the symbols are same, so any symbols will work. Or if you suppose the first one greater, plus symbol. Even if you suppose the second one greater, even then plus symbol. So if we do addition, 1z plus 1z means 2z. That is the subtraction of this question. So let's talk about the next question. The next question we can solve number, suppose 38. We can solve number 38. Let's First of all, let's go through question number 38. What does question number 38 say? Question number 38 says, if x is equal to a plus b plus c, y equal to a minus b minus c, z is equal to b minus c plus a, show that x minus y plus z equal to a plus 3b plus c. That means actually question and answer, both of them are given. Just we will have to show the workings to prove it correct. Well, so we will start with the question. Question is the left hand side and answer is the right hand side. As the question is, so let's start with this left hand side. Left hand side says x minus y plus z. This is our left hand side, and ultimately our answer will be right hand side. So let's start substituting the values. Value of x is given a plus b plus c. Under x we are writing a plus b plus c. Then there comes y, negative y. So y is equal to a minus b minus c, a minus b minus c, a minus b minus c. Then there comes plus z, plus z. What is the value of z? Z is equal to, z is given as b minus c plus a, b minus c plus a, b minus c plus a. That's all. We have written all of the three quantities. Well, so let's go downward. First of all, you know what to do. We just remove the brackets. Now, outside and inside the bracket, the symbols are same, so it will be invisible plus. And outside and inside, the symbols are same, so it will be plus. Same goes for C. Symbols are same, so it will be plus symbol. Then inside the bracket, in front of A, there is plus symbol. Okay, but outside the bracket, there is minus symbol. The symbols are different. Whenever the symbols are different, it will be subtraction. We know for different symbol we should put subtraction symbol. Then in front of b there is minus symbol, outside the bracket also there is minus symbol. The symbols are same, that's why it will be positive b. In front of c there is minus symbol, outside the bracket also minus symbol, so it will be, for same symbols we put c. Let's talk about the next part. Next part is, inside the bracket there is invisible plus, outside the bracket also plus. The symbols are same, so it will be positive b. And in front of c there is negative, whereas outside the bracket there is positive. Symbols are different, that's why it will be negative c. In front of a there is plus symbol, outside the bracket also there is plus symbol. Symbols are same, so it will be a. Now we will start. We should not forget that in the first step actually we have just removed the bracket. While inserting and removing the bracket, we should multiply the symbols, only multiplication of the symbols. Otherwise we neither do addition nor subtraction. Nothing has been done. So addition and subtraction is going to be done right now. Let's talk about a. A is over here as well as here. So both the a's, one a is having plus symbol, invisible plus symbol, and another one is having minus symbol. If the symbols are different, we should do subtraction. From one a, if we subtract another a, there will be nothing, means we can cancel them out. Let's talk about b. In front of one b there is plus symbol, in front of another b also there is plus symbol, so there will be addition for same symbols. If we add up one b to another b, it will be 2b. B has gone. Now it's time to talk about C. In front of C there is plus symbol. In front of another C there is also plus symbol. As the symbols are same, it will be addition. If we add up one C to another C, there will be two C's. Two C's. Now, if you raise the question about the symbol in front of this, symbol in front of any quantity should be the symbol of the greater term. So between this C and that C, anyone may be greater. So plus symbol can be there. Then what are remaining? We didn't even touch these three quantities, so they will remain unchanged. Plus B minus C plus A. Let's move on to the next step. It's B, so B will be calculated with B because B cannot get mixed with C or A. So in front of 2B there is plus symbol, invisible plus. In front of other B also there is plus symbol. As the symbols are same, we will have to do addition. If we do addition, if you add 2 to 1, it will be 3B. And you know the symbol of the greater term should be inserted, and between 2 and 1, 2 is greater, the symbol of the greater term is positive. At the beginning the symbol can remain invisible, plus sign. Well, then let's talk about C. In front of 2C there is plus symbol, in front of another C there is minus symbol. As the symbols are different, there will be subtraction. So if we subtract 1C from 2C, there will be only 1C. Now the question is, what about this symbol in front of C? Between 2C and 1C, 2 is greater and the greater term is having plus sign, so it will be plus symbol. Then what about the remaining term? We have touched, look, we have calculated all of these four terms. Only A is remaining unchanged, which is alone. There is no one to be calculated with A, so it will remain unchanged. So this is what our answer is. Now let's verify whether we are correct or not. Our right side, we are solving number 30. Our right side is A plus 3B plus C. So by rearranging this, we can write it equal to A plus 3B plus C equal to right hand side. They told that this is right hand side, and we have already shown that left hand side has been proven to be equal to the right side. So we can write the notation showed. Let me write here showed. That's all about the question number 38. Let's talk about one more question. What does the next question say? Let us solve. Mm, which one can we solve from here? Let's talk about 22. Okay, 22. On the question number 22. Question number 22 says, can I erase so long? I think I can erase all of these parts. So let me erase this. Let us erase. Let me erase this completely. Completely. Let, let me complete the erasing. So our next question is 38. Okay, 38 says, let me erase full of this so that we can write well. And that is, 36 is a creative question. I mean, there are three parts in the same question. Well, eraser has been completed. Now let's go to the question. Says x equal to a plus b whole square, y is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, and z is equal to a square plus b square minus twice ab. Determine the sum of the numerical coefficients of z terms. So z is equal to, it's question number 42, 42, 40. So 42, 42. So we are to write the numerical coefficient of z terms. Actually, z is what? Z is equal to a squared plus b squared, a squared plus b squared minus twice a b. And they're told to find up the write the let us write the coefficients. Okay, coefficients are sum of the coefficients. Directly we can write it sum of the coefficient. Okay, sum of the coefficients equal to. So first coefficient means actually the integral number or the number in front of the algebraic quantity. So here there is an invisible one. That means whenever we read, we understand that there is one a square. So numerical coefficient of the first term is 1 plus numerical coefficient of the second term also 1 b square. So it is 1. Then numerical coefficient of the second term is actually negative 2. Okay, negative 2. So it is going to be actually 0 because let me explain elaborately. So 1 plus 1, both of them are having same symbol, so it will be addition, but second one will remain unchanged. Now if we do addition and subtraction, the first one is having plus symbol whereas the second one is having negative symbol. The symbols are different, so we will have to do subtraction. If we subtract 2 from 2, it must be 0. So the sum of the all coefficients will be 0. Determine the sum of the numerical coefficients of z terms. Only the numerical coefficient. First numerical coefficient was 1 because there was 1 a square. Second numerical coefficient is also 1 because it was 1 b square. But the third numerical coefficient is negative 2. Remember, we should not ignore the symbol in algebra. So it's negative 2. And after doing addition subtraction, we got 0. Let's move on to question number B. Let's see what does B say. This was about A. B says determine y plus z and y minus z. So first we will find y plus z, y plus z. Well, so let's talk about B. B says x plus, oh sorry, y plus z, y plus z. We will substitute the values of y equal a square plus a square plus twice ab plus b square plus z is equal to a square plus b square minus a square plus a square plus b square minus 2 minus 2 ab 2ab. Let me erase this portion. Okay, 2ab, 2a B. Well, then you know of what to do. In the first step, we just remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, we will have to multiply all the symbols individually. Inside the bracket and outside the bracket, there are invisible plus. So the symbol will remain plus symbol and which can remain invisible. Same goes for the second quantity. Symbols inside and outside are same. So it will be plus. We are doing neither addition nor subtraction. It's just removal of the bracket. Then let's talk about the third term. The symbols are same, so it will be plus b square. What about the next quantity? Also symbols are same, that will be plus symbol. And in front of b square, the symbols are also same, so it will be plus symbol. Whenever the symbols are same, we use plus symbol. Then in front of 2 there is minus, outside bracket there is plus symbol. Symbols are different, so it will be subtraction 2ab. Let's Now this is the turn of doing addition subtraction. What will it be? First a square, one a square is over here, another a square, and both of them are having same symbol, so we'll have to do addition. If we add up one a square to the another a square, so it will be 2a square, and the greater term is a square, so symbol will be invisible plus. Then the next turn is of 2ab as well as 2ab. One is having same symbol, one is having plus symbol, another one is having minus symbol. As the symbols are different, we will have to do subtraction. If we subtract 2ab from 2ab, there remains nothing. That means we can cancel it out. Then b square, one b square is having plus symbol, another b square is having plus symbol. The symbols are same, so it will be addition. Now the question is, which symbol should be inserted appropriately in front of b square? Actually, if we suppose this one is greater, then there will be plus symbol. If we suppose second one is greater, even then the symbol will be same. So this is our answer to this question. Let's talk about the next question. Question number C. And before that, let me erase this properly so that we get space to write more. Okay. C. Question number C says, C. C is a equal to 3 and b equal to negative 2. Prove that x is equal to y. So we will prove that x equal to y. First we will start with, as this is equation. Look, this is an equation actually. There are two sides, left side and right side. Both the answer and questions are given. We will have to just do working to show it correct. So see, we will start with left hand side. Left hand side is, what is our left hand side? Left hand side is x, and x equal to, we know the values are given. X equal to what? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Then we will substitute the value. What is the value given for a? A is equal to 3. Look here, it's written a equal to 3, whereas b equal to negative 2. So we are going to write 3a equal to 3 plus b is equal to negative 2. Okay, then as there are two symbols getting together, so we'll have to isolate them using this bracket, and this can be this bracket. Well, then look at this. If we remove the bracket in front of 2, inside and outside the symbols are different. Look, whenever there are different symbols, we'll have to do subtraction. If we do subtraction, it is going to be negative 2 whole square. We didn't do any additional subtraction. Now it is time to do addition and subtraction. Let's see. 3 is having plus symbol invisible, whereas 1 is having negative symbol. Symbols are different, that's why we will have to do subtraction. If we subtract 2 from 3, it will be 1. Okay, and greater term is actually positive, so it will be plus sign. And this square mark, this exponent will remain unchanged. So what does square mean? Actually square means multiplying the same quantity two times. Okay, equal to 1 into 1. So square means multiplying the same quantity two times. So if we multiply 1 and 1, it is going to be 1. Okay, so the left side we have obtained is 1. Now it's time to write the right side. Right side was what? Y. Left, right hand side. So right hand side is going to be, let's write here right hand side. Right hand side, it was Y. And Y is equal to what? We have come to know that Y is equal to, let's see, Y equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is what Y. This is a square plus twice a plus b square. So let's write y is equal to a square, or I can put the symbol, equal symbol under that. Okay, y equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now we are going to insert the values. We should not forget a was actually 3. Look, here we have written a means 3. So 3 square plus 2. 2ab, actually they are in multiplying state. So a, the value of a is 3 and b was actually negative 2. Look here, the value of b was negative 2. So let's write negative 2 plus b square, the same value negative 2 square. Okay, well, then 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Already we have come to know that square means multiplying the same quantity two times. Then here if we do multiplication, here there is one negative symbol, here positive. So symbols are different, so negative sign. Now 2 threes are 6. 6 twos are 12. Negative 12. Then plus here 2 and 2, actually negative square means actually positive. Remember, negative into negative means positive, means minus into minus is equal to plus. And 2 square, 2 square means 2 into 3, same quantity should be multiplied by, sorry, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Then let's do the calculation. 3 threes are 9 minus 12 plus 2 twos are 4. Now look at this, 9 and 4, they are having same symbol, so they will be added to each other. If we add up, it will be 13 and 12 will remain unchanged. Now if we talk about that, these two quantities, in front of 13 there is plus symbol, in front of 12 there is minus symbol. The symbols are different. Whenever symbols are different, there will be subtraction. So if we subtract, it will be 1 and greater term is positive, so it will be plus 1. Now let's see, the left side was also what, 1. This is the left side. So left side was also 1, right side is also 1. So we can write equal, hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. We can write here, let me erase the lower portion. This portion can be erased so that we can get space to write this. Okay, hence left hand side is equal to, we can write hence left side is equal to, left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have proven, so we can write it's proved. Thank you all for watching this so patiently. Inshallah, in the next video we will solve something different. Allah Hafiz. Fi amanillah.